Well, if you've ever wondered how to take a furnace fan out, or what's inside, there's your heating coil. 4 screws here. Throw your breakers, get everything locked out, unplug your plugs. You'll take this nut off this collar to detach your motor from your fan. They use a punch. And there's the shaft. Here's the flat side. And there's where your set screw goes. So you've got to get those lined up. Bolt your motor on first, then you need to center your squirrel cage fan up. Tighten it really tight, but don't break it. Run capacitor moved to the new motor, non-polarized. These only go one way. You see the flat sides? Don't hook it up backwards. And you have the flat side there on the back. Try to make it dummy proof. And we have power. It's running great, nice and smooth. Hope that helps somebody. And if you do anything like this, you've got to get your information off of your diagrams and check your electric motors.